Hey, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how you guys can increase the speed of your KDE Plasma or any Linux distribution which you are using right now in your PC or in your laptop. So currently, I am using KDE Plasma. Hey, as you can see, guys, and wait, and this is the latest version which I'm using right now. And this is KDE Plasma X11. So you can see here Genuine Linux, and this is graphics platform X11. This is KD Plasma, and I think a lot of you guys are having issue related to your Kali Linux, that your system is not running fast, or your system may be lagging. If you are opening your browser, then your browser is lagging. The YouTube video you're trying to play is not playing in higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K. So this is the exact problem which I was having, and in this video I'll tell you the solutions which will definitely work. It will, guys, that definitely work. It will basically speed up your Linux, basically your KD Plasma. And recently I got an update, like when I got that update, and from that my Kali Linux or my KD Plasma was also started to lag, and I don't know why it started, but before that update my computer was working fine. It was just absolutely fine. It used to play 4K videos actually in, like without lagging. So let's start the video. I'll tell you what you guys have to do. So first of all, let's clear the caches which you are having in your system. So be a super user first of all, and then we'll try to remove the cache. So you have to remove the cache from the libraries, from where you download the packages. So these are the package libraries. First is apt, second is apt-get. So these two are not same basically. Apt is more user friendly and it came later, but that apt-get is basically started in 1990s maybe, and from there it's like we are using till now. So you have to then clean apt-clean. Okay, apt-get clean. So after cleaning your caches, you have to see actually if you are running any what is the swapness level in your system. So what is swapness? Actually, swap memory is when you install your Kali Linux, you give it swap memory, and here it will be from 0 to 100, and you have to basically increase the swap memory. How you can increase the swap memory? So first of all, you have to do just be a super user, then use editor and go to etc systemctl.config. So you have to edit this file, and after editing I think also you will not find this VM swapness here. So this one, so you will not find this, I think, in your config systemctl.config. So you have to add this line, and if you have more memory, like you have the memory which is like 0, here basically it will go from 0 to 100. So if you're having RAM for like I think 8 GB 12 GB, so then you have to give maximum swapness level, because you have basically high memory, and it will not basically lag, okay, your computer. And if you are having actually more memory, then you can also give it to 0, but I am given here 80, because I have 8 GB RAM, and my solution, basically my Kali Linux is running fast here. So I don't need to apply, give these to basically 0 or 10. But if you have more memory, like more 12 GB RAM, then you can give it 0, or don't have to. If you are having 12 GB RAM, then I don't know why your Linux is lagging. And if it's lagging, then I have the proper solution which I'll tell later. Okay, then you have to just if your RAM Linux or your system have less memory, then you have to give swapness above 60, and default it will be 60 if this line is present in that your system. So I have given 80. Don't copy mine. If you have less memory, less RAM, then give it like I think 50 or 60. And if you're 8 GB RAM or above 8 GB RAM, then you have to give here 5 or 10 value. Okay. Now after that you can run the neofetch to check, and you can actually also htop. So this is the swapness, basically swap memory, and I have using 0 right now because my is not using that much memory. As you can see here, I have 8 GB RAM and is 1 GB.6 is only using right now, so I don't have to, my computer don't need to start the swap memory. Okay. And the last but not the least, from which your computer will definitely run faster, is that in the KDE Plasma or in the Linux, the latest version, you have got this under the brightness, you have get this power profile. So if you will use this power profile like in the power save, if you will use this, then your computer will definitely lag. So don't use this. Use either balanced or moderate level, or go to the performance level. Your computer will heat up if you use more uh, more higher programs. But if you are not using big consumption programs, then you can just keep it in balance mode. And from these settings which I have told you, your computer system will definitely run faster. So I hope you guys like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.